Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Audacity tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change the language in Audacity. It's pretty simple, and at the end I also have a little tip for you. First I start Audacity and here I click on Edit and Preferences. I switch from the Devices tab to Interface, and at the Language item I can now select another language. For this example I will choose German. Now I click on OK and the language is changed. The good thing about Audacity is that you don't have to close the software to change the language, and so you can do it in the middle of editing. At the end, now a small hint for you. Your shortcuts are set separately in each language. Therefore, if you change the language, you will have to reassign the shortcuts for your effects first so that you can work as before. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.